What's up, guys? It's me, Juan Pablo, the People's Mentor. So, just leaving the office just to get some food, bite to eat, so I'm not leaving for the day. But I was just thinking, I want to share my thoughts with you lovely people out there in the worldwide internet. But I was just thinking, the commuting time, right? Starting out as a young company, we used to work individually. You know, I work from my place. Ryan, he'll work from his place, no problem. And then we thought, you know what? We need synergy. We need to improve the lines of communication. Not by ordering a new phone system, but by simply, hey, let's meet up. Let's meet up at your place, Juan. So that way I can just look over your shoulder, see how you operate, and you can just ask me a question and so forth. I said, you know what? That makes sense. Let's do that. Started meeting at my place. Then it came to the point we're doing tours. You know, some of you guys might be familiar with the entrepreneurial tour we did in 2016, where we did 5 cities in 10 days. You know, just doing events after events after events. Very fun, very productive as well, right? I like to intermingle business with pleasure. You know what I'm saying? Do events in cities I like to be at. So we did that. And while we were doing the tour, Ryan mentioned, hey, my phone is ringing off the hook for sales, and it's difficult for me to do the events with you, Juan, because I know you need another person to accompany you at the event, but it's difficult for me to do the events with you, as well as adhere to my scheduled appointments with people who booked appointments in other cities across the world, even. And I said, oh, okay, that makes sense. And he says, well, we definitely need to hire another sales representative. So I said, okay, you know what? Let's reach out to Chastity. So shout out Chastity. She's Afro with the cash flow. So we got her on board. Then he's like, hey, well, she needs to work in your home too, because I got to be able to train her on how to do sales and so she can know what the product is, you know, whether it's credit repair, business funding, just so she can become familiarized with it. I said, that makes sense. So all 3 of us are working at my 1-bedroom place. Then it came to the point where I brought my mom on board, and she's doing it. And then I had to get a different place, a 2-bedroom. Now the 2-bedroom, after hiring Ryan, Chastity, my mom, then Lewis, then Ty, and now David, and now another young lady named Shervay. As you can tell, it's just a lot of people to fit into a 2-bedroom, right? So we had to get an office. Now, when it came to getting an office, now that's the point. I'm conveniently, prior to getting the office, I'm conveniently working from home. So my commuting time is 1 second, just me leaving my bedroom and going to my office. Easy breezy. But for the team, the average commuting time from their residence to my personal residence was about an hour on average for the team members, 45 minutes to an hour. So a long commute. Some people even an hour, 20 minutes. So then I had a decision. Once I knew, hey, we need to move forward with getting an office, because I can't be having all these people in my place. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want my neighbors telling on me that I'm running a full-blown operation out of my place. So I was originally thinking, you know what? I want to get an office around the corner from where I stay at. 5, maybe 10 minutes top commuting time for me. But it'll be the same commuting time for the team members. Again, it was around the corner from where I stay. So I decided to be a team player and say, you know what? For the betterment of the team, so they can spend more time in the office and less time on the road, right? Because that equals to more production. So not just to say I was completely selfless, I did have some type of selfishness involved, because it'll be more productive. You know, me being a business owner, I want my team in the office working and not commuting. You feel me? And if they had to stay late, I don't want them thinking about staying late, because that equates to longer time them sitting in traffic during rush hour. I'd rather them be worry free and say, hey, I don't mind spending another 30 minutes or an hour working on this important project, especially because my commuting time is lessened since we have a new office. So that was one selfish reason. But unselfish, I was thinking, you know what? I should find an office that's centrally located for our team members. I know we're going to grow. I know that I'm the only constant pretty much. I will stay there, but I still want to keep them in mind. So we found a location near the office and it's been working great. So everyone pretty much has a 30-minute commute, even myself. In fact, I'm probably one of the guys who has the longest commute, but it's about 35-minute commute for me, and it's not too bad, right? But the point that I'm making out of all that is, when you grow, think about your team, you know, and the same applies to real estate as well. You want to be able to do things in which the team benefits and not just you. So it does take a level of selflessness, and you have to get out of yourself and be able to be there for your team members. It's difficult because it's easy for me to be selfish and say, you know what, forget all that. We're going to meet around the corner from my house. But no, I decided not to do that. All right? So make sure you stay selfless out there, guys. Be a selfless team member, manager, and leader, and CEO, and business owner. So that way you can increase the productivity, and not only that, the morale of the group. Because their morale was greatly boosted by them thinking, you know what? He had an opportunity to get in the office around the corner, where he decided to make his commute longer for the benefit of the whole team. And I always want you to keep that in mind as a business owner. Always make decisions based upon the team, okay? Is it a requirement? Even with holidays, we were talking about with Hollywood Ryan, I asked him, hey, what's the best day to have off for Christmas? Should it be the day before Christmas or the day after Christmas? And many of the team said, oh, I prefer after Christmas. So I'm not saying say yes to whatever the team wishes, because their reasons being personal reasons. But I said no, but what about the business? Okay. What about the business? Is it better for sales to have the day before or the day after Christmas? And he said, you know what, for sales, it's better to have the day before Christmas off, and then after Christmas, we're back to work as usual. So in that instance, we did not support the team, because the team had personal reasons, but not really business reasons as to why to make that decision. So there is a fine line between the two, but don't neglect your team. You gotta take care of them, all right? All right, so speaking of taking care of, I need to take care of some lunch. So I'll see you guys later. As always, guys, to your success, continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.